Hello again, this is Jeremy Artz, Product Manager for Power Amp Vehicle Restraints and IDOT Controls. And in this video today, I want to talk to you about why cost is not a good reason not to buy vehicle restraints and install them at all your dock positions, okay? The average cost, you can see in the first one here, the first bullet here, the average cost of an accident, a worker injury accident today in the US is $41,000, okay? That's just the average direct cost. Indirect costs get much, much higher, much more expensive. And actually it's closer to $1.2 million if the worker dies. But today we're gonna talk about just an injury accident, and that'll serve its purpose for our conversation here today. Let's also assume for this video that $5,000 is the average estimated cost of a vehicle restraint, okay? You can buy restraints for much more than that. You can buy restraints for less than that, but I think $5,000 is pretty accurate for an estimate for today's purpose, for this video's purposes, okay? What that means is that for the cost of one accident, now there's a lot of reasons, obviously, why you don't want to have an accident in your loading docks, okay? Obviously, nobody wants anyone to get hurt, worse yet, killed, but the costs alone should be reason enough for you to consider vehicle restraints, because just for one accident, $41,000, you can install up to 8 restraints, or maybe more depending on cost. At least 8 different loading docks can be protected against forklift fall through accidents and other like premature leaving, if the driver decides to leave the dock prematurely, or early departure accidents, things like that. So really there's no good reason as far as cost goes not to install vehicle restraints, because even an average facility that's at an average level of busyness sees hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of opportunities for forklift fall through accidents every year. So you don't want it to get to that point. You don't want it to be, well, we had an accident and now we have to put in restraints. Don't go down that road, because then you've already let it go too far. You've already had an accident. That is not the right time to do this. It's not the right time to start wearing your seatbelt after you've had an accident, right, in your car. It's not the right time to install smoke detectors in your home after you've had a fire, right? Take care of this early. Help prevent any of your people from getting hurt in the loading dock. Help prevent all those costs that can come from that accident, and install vehicle restraints today, because really, for the cost, it's a fantastic value, and it's protection for your business and for your people. Okay, so until next time, please stay safe.